Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the fascinating world of technology and innovation. I'm your host, and today we're unpacking a truly exciting topic, agentic AI. Now, before you tune out thinking, oh, that sounds complicated, trust me, we're going to break it down in a way that even your grandma will understand. So what is agentic AI, and why should we care? Picture this. You've got a super smart assistant that not only understands what you need, but can also learn and adapt along the way. It's like having your very own digital sidekick, ready to solve problems before you even know they exist. Today, we'll introduce a framework known as Dapr, short for Dapr Agentic Cloud Ascent, or DACA for short. This isn't just tech jargon, it's a design pattern that helps build these intelligent systems. Now, let's dive a bit into what makes this design pattern tick. DACA combines several agent-native cloud technologies, like the OpenAI Agents SDK and knowledge graphs. Seriously, if you've ever used a service that predicts what you might want to buy or do next, you've already benefited from the concepts we're discussing today. Okay, so what exactly is the OpenAI Agents SDK? Well, think of it as a toolkit for developers that want to create these intelligent agents. It's like giving them the Lego blocks to build something amazing. And let's not forget about technologies like memory and MCP. These tools allow agents to retain information over time, making them more capable and more personal in their interactions. Let's pause here for a moment. I'd love to ask you all, have you ever experienced something that felt almost magical when using technology? Maybe it was a voice assistant that seemed to read your mind? That's the kind of experience DACA aims to recreate. By employing powerful architectures like Kubernetes and tools such as Rancher Desktop, developers can orchestrate these applications seamlessly. Now, integrating Dapr into the mix is crucial. Dapr acts as a bridge, ensuring that different services within these applications can communicate effectively. It simplifies the development process so that developers can focus on designing the experience rather than getting bogged down by the nitty-gritty of infrastructure management. And what about knowledge graphs? Imagine a spider web connecting information from various sources. Knowledge graphs help organize and visualize that data, making it accessible and useful for intelligent decision-making. As we start wrapping up, it's clear that the intersection of all these technologies is not just about enhancing functionality. It's about creating experiences that feel intuitive and alive. We're not just feeding data to machines, we're empowering them to understand the human context, which is incredibly exciting. So as we head into the future, I encourage you to keep an eye on how agentic AI evolves. What are your thoughts on having AI that learns and adapts? Would you be comfortable with a digital assistant that's almost like another member of your family? That's it for today's episode of Tech Talk Today. We've explored Dapr and agentic AI, looked into how these technologies intertwine, and even thought about their broader implications for the future. Remember, technology is as much about connection as it is about functionality, and that's what makes it exciting. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep innovating.